In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a circle of arrows in Figma. To start, open Figma and get ready to draw. Our first step is to add a single arrow to your canvas. Go to your toolbar and select the Line tool, which looks like a simple diagonal line. Click and drag to draw a straight line. To turn this line into an arrow, head over to the right-hand design panel. Under the Stroke section, find the End Marker drop-down and choose an arrowhead style. You can also adjust the stroke weight, perhaps 2 or 3 pixels, and pick a color you like. This arrow will be the base for our circular design. Next, we duplicate this arrow and flip the copy to create a symmetrical pair. The easiest way to duplicate is to select your arrow and press Command+D on Mac or Control+D on Windows. Once duplicated, select the new arrow. To flip it upside down, go to the right-hand panel and locate the Rotate field. Type 180 degrees and press Enter. This will perfectly orient your duplicated arrow in the opposite direction. Now, position this flipped arrow directly below your original, ensuring they are aligned to form a balanced, symmetrical unit. This 2-arrow component is crucial for building our circle. Now for the final and most exciting part, forming the full circle of arrows. This uses Figma's powerful Repeat Last Action feature. First, select both arrows you've created, your original and its flipped duplicate. Duplicate this pair by pressing Command+D on Mac or Control+D on Windows. Now you have 2 identical pairs of arrows. With the newly duplicated pair still selected, here's the crucial move. We need to change its rotation axis. Look for the small circular pivot point, usually at the center of the bounding box. Drag this pivot point significantly downwards, placing it exactly where you want the exact center of your final circle of arrows to be. This new position defines the axis for all subsequent rotations. Once the pivot is set, gently rotate this first duplicated pair around that new pivot. For instance, if you want 10 arrow pairs, rotate this pair by exactly 36 degrees. That's 360 divided by 10. After this initial rotation, simply keep pressing Command+D or Control+D repeatedly. Figma will remember the precise transformation and apply it to each new copy. Continue pressing until your arrows form a complete and visually satisfying circle. You'll see them gracefully arrange into a perfect radial pattern. Experiment with different initial rotation angles to adjust the number and spacing. And there you have it, a perfectly formed circle of arrows for your Figma designs.